Tom, I feel dizzy again.
Dizzy? Sit down, Sarah.
I don't want to eat. I'm so tired all the time.
You look pale. What's wrong?
I checked my symptoms online.
And? What did it say?
It says it could be something very serious.
Sarah, don't believe everything online.
But look at this list. It's scary.
You always worry too much.
This time feels different, Tom.
Okay, let's go see a doctor today.
Is it serious? I'm scared.
We don't know yet. Let's just go.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, my wife needs to see a doctor.
Does she have an appointment?
No, we don't. Is that a problem?
It's okay. Please fill out this form.
Sure. How long is the wait?
The doctor is busy today. Many people are waiting.
Will we get to see him soon?
I'm not sure. Please take a seat.
Okay, we'll wait.
The nurse will call your name.
Thank you.
Tom, look at that poster.
Which one? The one about health?
Yes, it lists so many serious illnesses.
That's just general information, Sarah.
But dizzy and tired are on the list?
Many small problems can cause that too.
What if it's something terrible?
Please don't think like that.
I can't help it. I'm so nervous.
Take a deep breath. It will be fine.
I hope you're right.
I am. Just relax for now.
Sarah Smith?
That's us. Let's go, Sarah.
Hello, doctor. I feel dizzy and tired.
I see. Do you have a headache too?
Yes, a little, and I don't want to eat.
Let me check your temperature first.
Okay.
A little warm.
Is that bad?
Let's check a few more things. Open your mouth, please.
Like this?
Good. I see.
What do you see, doctor?
Do you sleep well at night?
Not really. I work late often.
And how much coffee do you drink?
A lot, actually. Why? Is something wrong with me? Please tell me, doctor, is it serious?
No, Sarah. It's not serious at all.
Really? But I felt so sick.
You are just very tired, and you have a small cold.
A cold? That's all?
Yes, you work late and drink too much coffee.
I do drink a lot of coffee.
And you don't eat well. Your body is tired.
Oh, I feel so relieved.
I told you not to worry too much.
I'm a little embarrassed now.
It's okay. Many people worry like you.
So what should I do now?
Rest more. Drink water, not coffee.
I will try.
Go to the pharmacy and get some medicine.
Hello, I have a prescription for my doctor.
Let me see. Okay, this is for a cold.
Yes, he said it's not serious.
That's good to hear. Take this medicine twice a day.
After meals or before?
After meals with water.
Okay, I will remember that.
Also, please rest at home for a few days.
I will try to rest more.
And less coffee, please.
Yes, the doctor said that too.
Go home and take care of yourself.
Tom, thank you for taking me today.
Of course, I was worried about you.
It was just a small cold after all.
Yes, and too much coffee.
I really thought it was something terrible.
I know, you always worry first.
It's true, I'm a little silly sometimes.
Not silly, just caring too much.
Now go to bed early tonight, okay?
That's what I want to tell you.
I will rest and drink more water.
Good, let's take care of each other.
This was a good lesson for me.
Don't be scared next time. Just talk to me first.
Tom, come look at our bank statement.
What about it?
We have 13 recurring charges this month.
That sounds about right.
About right? What are all of these?
Music, movies, fitness, news, cloud storage.
We are paying for 3 different music apps
They have different playlists.
and 2 movie streaming services?
One has better action movies.
We never even watch movies anymore.
We might want to someday.
And what is this $9 charge for?
A meditation app, very calming.
When did you ever meditate?
I tried it once in January.
It is June. You have been paying for 6 months.
I kept meaning to cancel.
Total it all up right now.
Maybe $170 a month?
$170 a month on apps?
When you say it like that, it sounds bad.
Because it is bad.
Okay, we can cancel some.
Some? We are canceling most of them tonight. How can I help you today?
I need to cancel some app subscriptions.
Which ones?
All of them. Well, most of them.
Let me pull up your account.
I tried canceling online, but I can't find the button.
That is by design.
What do you mean by design?
Companies make it hard to cancel on purpose.
That should be illegal.
You are not the first person to say that.
Can you cancel them from here?
Some of them, others you need to call directly.
Call? Who calls anyone anymore?
The meditation app requires a phone call.
To cancel meditation? That is stressful.
And the fitness app has a 30-day notice period.
So I pay for another month even after I cancel?
Correct. It is in the terms you agree to.
I never read the terms.
Nobody does. That is how they get you.
This feels like a scam.
Let me cancel the easy ones first.
How many can you cancel today?
7 out of 13.
And the other 6?
You will need a very patient afternoon. Did you cancel the meditation app yet?
I have been on hold for 45 minutes.
For a $9 app?
They transferred me 3 times.
Just hang up and dispute the charge.
Wait, someone is picking up.
Finally!
Hello? Yes, I want to cancel my subscription.
What are they saying?
They are offering me 50% off.
No, don't fall for it.
I said no. Now they are offering a free month.
Say no again.
I said no again. Now they want to know why.
Because you never use it.
They are asking me to try the new guided sleep feature.
We already have sleep tape for that.
They are transferring me again.
This is insane.
Music is playing. I am back on hold.
Give me the phone.
You want to try?
I am not asking. Give it.
Okay, here.
Hello? Cancel the account or I am calling my bank.
What did they say?
Cancelled. In 3 seconds.
Brad, do you have a lot of app subscriptions?
I used to. My wife found 21 on our account.
21? We only had 13.
Most of them were free trials I forgot to cancel.
The free trial trap. I hate those.
Sign up for 7 free days. Forget about it.
Then they charge you for the whole year.
Exactly. I lost over $300 that way.
Tom signed up for a meditation app in January.
And never used it?
Never. Not once.
My worst one was a language learning app.
Those are everywhere.
I studied Spanish for 2 days. Paid for 12 months.
At least you tried for 2 days. Tom tried for 0.
My wife now approves every subscription.
That is a great idea.
She made a spreadsheet.
A spreadsheet for subscriptions?
With renewal dates, costs, and a cancel reminder.
Your wife is brilliant.
Organized. She is very organized.
I need that spreadsheet in my life.
I will send you the template.
Sit down. We are doing a subscription audit.
A what?
We go through every single subscription and decide.
This feels like a trial.
It is. Music app number 1. $12 a month.
Keep, that is our main one.
Music app number 2. $10 a month.
It has exclusive podcasts.
Name one podcast you listen to.
The one about cold exposure?
Canceled. Music app number 3.
That is the one with workout playlists.
You do not work out.
I am going to start, probably.
Canceled. Movie streaming number 1.
Keep, we watch that every Friday.
Fair enough. Movie streaming number 2.
They have that show I have been meaning to watch.
For how many months?
5 months, but I will start this weekend.
Canceled. Cloud storage?
I need that for photos.
How many photos do you have?
40,000.
Delete 20,000 and use the free plan.
I cannot delete memories.
Fine. Keep cloud storage, but no more new subscriptions without asking me.
Deal.
Tom, what is this new charge on the credit card?
What charge?
$7 yesterday. A weather app.
I can explain.
A paid weather app? The free one works fine.
This one has hourly radar updates.
Your phone already has weather.
But this shows lightning strikes in real time.
When do you need to see lightning in real time?
What if there is a storm?
Then you look outside.
The app is more accurate than looking outside.
We made a deal, Tom. No new subscriptions without asking.
I was going to tell you.
When? After the free trial trapped you again?
It was only $7.
That is what you said about the meditation app.
This is different. I actually use this one.
Cancel it right now in front of me.
But the storm season is coming.
Cancel it now.
Fine, it is canceled.
Show me the confirmation screen.
Here, happy?
Extremely. Good news! We saved $128 this month.
Great. Can I download a podcast app now?
Is it free?
Yes, completely free.
Does it have in-app purchases?
Maybe a premium version.
Then no.
It is a free app, Sarah.
Free apps become paid apps. I know the trick now.
You have become a subscription dictator.
I prefer the term financial guardian.
You put the grocery budget in the spreadsheet too.
And our gas expenses. And the dog's vet bills.
You are spreadsheeting our entire life.
Organization is the key to financial freedom.
I just want to listen to a podcast.
Use the free music app we already have.
It doesn't have the podcast I want.
Then listen to it on YouTube.
YouTube has ads.
Ads are the price of freedom, Tom.
I liked it better when we had 13 subscriptions.
And I liked it better when we had money.
Fair point. UN. Again.